Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 bowling pins and 1 Play-Doh bowling ball. My family goes bowling at least once a month. Do you go bowling? Here's what you need to get started. You need red, white, black, and green Play-Doh. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the bowling pins. Are done. Now I just need to make the bowling ball. These are my bowling pins and my bowling ball. Let's see if I can get a strike too. I can't get any of them down today. Oh, I got one. That's good enough for me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.